Sometimes we may tend to make an error while recording the cell references during creating a named range. So just like any other workbook element, you can edit and delete a named range. Hello and welcome to Excel in Excel. In this video, we will learn how to edit and delete a named range. The data presented here portrays the revenue for the year 2016 and 2017 for the corresponding products. When you take a look at the drop down of the name box, you can find that there are two named ranges created. When you take a look at the first named range, you can find that there is a spelling error occurring. So when we click on that particular named range, we will also observe that we have missed to include a particular cell in that range. So to edit the named ranges, go to the Formulas tab, click on the Name Manager. A Name Manager dialog box will pop up. In the Name Manager dialog box, if you just want to change the cell references, you can click on the particular name, and under the Refers to section, you can select the cell references and change it. If you also want to edit the name, click on the Edit option. Once you click, an Edit Name dialog box will pop up. In the Edit Name dialog box, under the Names option, you can change the name and the cell references by clicking on this arrow, selecting the cell references and clicking on OK. So once you click on OK, you'll find that you have successfully edited the named range. But one thing which you must note here is that in the edit option, you cannot change the scope. Once you have selected that the named range should appear in the workbook, it will be visible in the entire workbook, and if you have selected the scope and limited it to a particular sheet, it will be visible only in that particular sheet. Now let's take a look at how to delete a named range. Just select the range which you want to delete and click on the delete. Once you click, a dialog box asking, "Are you sure you want to delete the name?" will pop up. If you're sure, click on OK, otherwise click on Cancel. Once you click on OK, the particular named range will vanish from the Name Manager dialog box. You have some more options over here under the filter. So you can clear the filter that you have applied. You can filter the name scope to particular worksheet, particular workbook. You can see only the names that have errors or without errors and so on. So finally, when you are done with editing and deleting, you can click on Close. The Name Manager dialog box will vanish. So this is all about how to edit and delete a named range. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for instant updates. See you in the next video.